two main audience segments that you can use on Google Ads. I'm here today to tell you what they are, why we use them, and how you can apply these to your Google Ads campaigns. Welcome back to Leap. I'm Megan and I'm a senior e-commerce account manager here at AdPeople. If this is your first time at the Leap YouTube channel, have a look at all of our other videos as we cover loads of topics on how to get started with an e-commerce business on Google Ads. What we're going to be talking about today is Affinity Segments and in-market segments, how to apply these to your campaigns and the benefits of when you do apply these. By the end of this video, you will have learned about the two main types of Google Ads targeting, the benefits of these and how you can set these up and which campaigns to put these onto. So what is Google Ads audience targeting? Essentially, this is a tool on ads that allows you to target users based on who they are compared to what they are actually physically searching for on Google. Google Ads has a huge variety of audience segments that you can input to your campaigns to target relevant users coming through to your website. For example, if you are an e-commerce website that is selling furniture, you can actually add in an audience segment that is home furnishings, interior designs, home and garden, and that is just to name a few. The way users are put into audience categories is based off their website activity and their behavior. That way, Google will push relevant adverts that match that behavior to the user. As mentioned earlier, there are two main types of audience segments that we use, and the first one that we're going to be talking about is in-market targeting. So in-market segments are users who are actively purchasing products, and this is based off specific shopping behavior and their current shopping behavior. For example, one of the in-market audiences is baby and children's products. So if you were an expecting parent and you were purchasing a higher rate of baby products, you are obviously going to be shown more ads based on those kind of products, as there is a vast and greater purchase intent. In-market audiences tend to have a stronger purchase intent, so by including these into your ads campaigns, it is a great way to boost those website conversion rates. So the second type of main audience segment is affinity targeting. What this is basically users who have shown an interest in a particular topic or a product, but not necessarily purchased that particular product. So for example, an affinity audience could be someone who has consistently watched YouTube videos on makeup tutorials. We can then add an affinity audience called beauty and wellness, which will then push relevant ads for particular products, as we know that they have a vast interest in that topic. So the main benefit of affinity audiences is brand awareness. This is because it really pushes relevant ads based on topics that they have shown interest in. So again, we can really boost relevant, high quality traffic coming through to your website. Additionally to those two, you can also separate audience targeting into demographics such as age and gender, so you can get a really good idea of the type of users that react well to your website. The benefit of this is that you don't even have to manually input these in, as Google will automatically pull these through for you. So all audience segments can be added at either campaign or ad group level, and you can actually add these to the majority of Google Ads campaigns. So this is including search, shopping, video, and display ads. To add these into your campaign, once you are logged into Google Ads, if you click down the left-hand side, you can see audiences. You will then be able to select an option that says Edit Audience Segments. If you click on that, it will then appear with your campaigns or your ad groups. So select the ad group or the campaign you want to add this into. You will then see a list of suggested audience segments. So you can look through there, see what's relevant to your website, or alternatively, you can actually use the search box, which will then bring up anything that is relevant to what you want to add in. On a side note, one thing to bear in mind is that any Performance Max campaigns uses something called audience signals, which is slightly different, but still has the same idea of targeting users that are most likely to convert. However, if you would like to see a full video on audience signals for Performance Max, then let us know in the comments. So to sum up the benefits, audience targeting can actually boost your campaign's performance, as we will actively be targeting users who have shown interest in your particular products or had a history of purchasing similar products. That way we are sending through relevant and high quality traffic. Another benefit is thinking about that precious budget. By targeting specific users who have shown an interest in similar products or a similar topic as to what you are selling, this means that your budget is being spent on users who are more likely to convert. That way, you will be saving your money and being able to invest this in other areas, and ultimately your return on ad spend will be much better. Thanks so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that you learn a little bit more about audience targeting and segmenting. We want you to go away and try this on your campaigns now, and any questions that you do have, feel free to pop them in the comments. And if you did enjoy this video, then please like and subscribe, and we will bring more Leap videos to you very soon.